First thing you're going to need to do is you need to go into the Google Play or App Store and get the Maverik Rewards app. Once you've gotten the app, you can see right here you can save 2 cents per gallon if you actually use this app, or if you get their card with Nitro, you can save 10 cents per gallon. But once you get the app, you either need to sign in or register, and you'll be able to see once you actually sign up for an account, it'll basically give you access to where your current location is, and you can earn points such as earning snacks and beverages and even fuel discounts on this. How you can actually scan to pay and use rewards is you click on scan to pay option right here, and you can actually scan this inside at the register when you're paying, even if it's a self-checkout. And once you've done that, your rewards will actually stack, and you can redeem offers just on this app if you click on get this item for free or find a Maverik, depending on the offers that allows you to use near you. First thing you're going to need to do is, you can see I'm at the fuel pump right here. You're basically going to want to tap your card or actually insert your credit card right here. Next, after you've actually tapped your card or paid, you'll have the option to swipe your adventure club or enter in the alternate ID on this page right here. If you don't have a Nitro account, it's okay, you can skip it with this button right here, but basically you're going to want to use this pin pad to do so. You can find this code just on the app or put your card in right here. Once you've entered in your number, you're actually good to fill up your gas in just the normal way you do, and it'll actually get that price discount just using your points or using your Nitro card. And yeah, if you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe. It's very cold out here.